have some overnight rice. Let's make this delicious rice with corn. So let's get into the video. For this recipe, you're going to need the main ingredient, which is the overnight rice. I have some chopped onion, some chopped bell pepper, 2 different colors here. We have garlic, ginger, green onions, and then we have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, some frozen corn, and then for spices, we're going to need fish and meat sauce, some sazon. I have some Maggi seasoning here, garlic and smoked paprika, and then some parsley. So let's get into the video. So on medium flame, you're going to put your butter in. I'm just going to let that melt. So now that it's melted, then we're going to go ahead and add in all our seasoning, our bell peppers, our onion, ginger, green onions, and garlic. And we're just going to saute these. And you can smell the goodness of the garlic coming through with all this seasoning. Remember to turn on that notification so you do not miss anything. And if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your family and friends to learn more dishes as we prepare them weekly. So this is unsalted butter, so we'll just add some salt here to bring out more of the flavor. And then we're going to go ahead and stir in our salt. Once this has been cooked, then we'll add in our frozen corn. After about 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add our corn in. Then we're going to put in with our seasonings. So I'm adding a little garlic powder, smoked paprika. Then we're going to be adding our sazon, Maggi seasoning, and our fish and meat sauce. Then we're going to stir this in, like so. Then we're going to cover it for a minute or 2. So now we're going to be adding a little bit of chicken broth. Stir that in. And look at the colors here, beautiful. So let that simmer again. It's about 2 minutes, so let's stir and then we'll add our rice. Yes, this looks delicious. So now we're going to add our overnight rice. And season with the same seasonings that you used before. So So we're going to season in layers. So there's a smoked paprika. Again, we're going to put our garlic powder. Our little sazon. And then some fish and meat sauce. And then we'll see if we need any salt after we mix it all in. Look at the colors, it's so bright and vibrant, makes your rice come alive overnight. Rice, that is. And you're just gonna let this steam for about 5 to 7 minutes so the rice gets warm since it was in the refrigerator and all the flavors get into the rice itself. So it's been about 5 minutes. So we're just going to stir it. And the rice is all warm. If you want to add some salt, you can. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper on top, flakes on top, give it some color, and some parsley. If you have fresh one, you use it. I'm using the dried ones. Bon appetit!